regular 2 turns for the lady. Going 1, 2, 3, lift 4, turn your partner. 5, 6, hand, shoulders, 7, 8. Turn her again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close position. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic step cross body. 1, 2, 3. Tap, guys, hook, and bring the lady around. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Guys, go forward and back tap. Forward and back tap. Getting the lady off the normal line of dance. Ladies, we went back and forward tap. Turn your lady. 5, 6, 7. Pizza hand, palm up. Backwards turn to the neck. 1, 2, 3. Change hands right to right. 4. Bring the lady into shoulders. 5, 6, 7. Get the other hand. 8. Hammer lock the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gentlemen, walk forward. Dynamic turn for the lady. 5, 6, 7. Tap. 8. Bring her out, lifting the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both arms up. 5, 6, 7. Hip 8. And we turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic. 6, 7, 8. But that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more combos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye!